Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we will write a poster on rainwater harvesting. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Firstly, you have to write the title of your poster. Here, for example, I am writing Rainwater Harvesting, a Sustainable Solution. Next, you have to write a catchy slogan. Here, for example, I am writing Capture, Conserve, Sustain. Next, we have to go ahead with the content of our poster. Here, for example, I am writing the heading Benefits. Under this, I will write some of the benefits or the points that I want to highlight. Benefits. First, preserves fresh water. Second point, reduces strain on water sources. Third point, avoids water scarcity. To the right hand side, you can draw any picture or diagram or any visuals related to your poster's topic. Here I have drawn a visual representation of conserving rainwater. Next heading, how can you contribute? Under this heading, I am going to list out 3 more points. First point is install rainwater collection systems. Second point is educate others about its importance. Third point is eco-friendly practice. Next, you have to write an eye-catchy slogan which will also be our call to action. Here, for example, I am writing, together, let's make every drop count. Lastly, you have to write the name of the organization or institution who is running this particular campaign. Here, for example, I am writing by Green Movement Club, Kolkata.